Are you still wondering what's the best business for you? Well, you might find the answer right here today. Hi, I'm Mami N, your Mami Negosyo, and in this video, we're digging deeper into an important part of finding the right business for you. And this is about leveraging your transferable skills. Now, what does this mean, Mami N? Well, have you ever wondered how your past experiences can shape your journey towards your business success? Yes, let's explore that together. You see, you may have taken it for granted because it has been a part of your daily life, but what I want you to know is that you bring a wealth of experience from diverse fields that you have already had experiences in. It would be simple things like what you learned in school or the jobs and tasks that you used to do way back when. It's time for you to discover how these skills can be your secret weapon in the world of business. So, what are transferable skills? Well, as I said, these are the skills you've developed in your previous roles that can be applied to your new or existing business venture. And they include communication, problem solving, leadership, task management, and more. And these have been so much a part of you that you have not even given them so much thought. So, recognizing them is your first step to harnessing their power. Did you know that according to a study by Forbes, 92% of employers believe that transferable skills are equally or more important than hard skills? Yes, transferable skills are your competitive advantage in the job market, and that's a given. But did you know that these are also your competitive advantage in business as well? So let's take time to reflect on what your transferable skills are. Now, I want you to get a piece of paper and make a long list of what they are and just start with that. So, again, step one is to recognize your transferable skills. And step two is to align these skills with business ideas. Now, how do we do that? If you're a teacher or a former teacher like me, your background in teaching might translate into starting an online education platform or sharing your knowledge through online courses. Your geekiness in tech stuff could lead to creating a course in tech that many people need and are willing to pay for. So by matching your skills with business opportunities, you can discover a path that feels natural and exciting while making good money for you. So let me give you a concrete example. I want you to meet my friend. Let's call her Alice. So after availing of early retirement from the company where she worked as an executive for more than 10 years, she leveraged her management skills to start a successful event planning business. Her ability to coordinate and lead teams was a perfect fit for the event industry. And looking forward, she envisions scaling it as a franchisor to interested parties, maybe it's in Cebu or in Davao. Isn't that awesome? So go back to your list and look at each one, each of the list, each of the skills that you have listed down. Ask yourself, with these skills that I have, what business ideas can I explore? Or if you're already in business, so go through each skill and ask, how can I improve my business with this skill? Step three now, conduct skill enhancement and skill gap analysis. While you have a strong foundation in many skills, there may be areas where you want to enhance your expertise. So, what could these areas be? So to find out, do a skill gap analysis. Know where in your chosen business you can further develop so that you can excel even more. And once you have identified that skill gap, consider buying books, online courses, or workshops that will help you if you want to take your time to learn slowly. Now, from my experience, however, these are usually generic, meaning some of what they teach may not necessarily apply for you. And this is why lately I have stopped reading books or enrolling in courses. I find that I'd rather pay more in exchange for the time that I can save. So instead of paying for courses and books, I just go for coaching and mentorship programs for faster skill transfer. My mentor coach usually just teaches me what I need to learn, and they transfer their years and decades of experience to me in just a few weeks to help sharpen the specific skills I'll need in my new business venture or in taking my business to the next level. And what's good is that because of the committed meeting time that I have with my mentor coach, I am compelled to always apply what I learned before the next scheduled meeting session I have with her. Now, for this lesson to really sink in, let me share success stories from one of my coaching clients, Michelle. Michelle had experience in project management in her years in the corporate world. Earlier last year, she decided to enter the world of e-commerce. So she recognized her excellent organizational and problem-solving skills from her previous job position. And so by enhancing her knowledge in digital marketing and e-commerce trends from her coach mentor, she quickly transformed her passion into a thriving online store. Now, Michelle's story is an example of how powerful your business can be by leveraging transferable skills and seeking the guidance of a coach mentor. Her e-commerce business is not only profitable, but it's also a source of personal fulfillment and happiness for her. It's the oxygen that keeps her going during tough times in the journey of business. So how about you? Can you reflect on what skill gaps you have for your business success? Where can you find a coach mentor to learn those skills in the shortest time possible? So do drop a comment below if you need more guidance in this, okay? Now, here are the key takeaways from this video. Number 1, identify your transferable skills. Number 2, align your skills with potential business ideas. Number 3, enhance the skills you need for your business success. And if you're ready to harness the potential of your transferable skills and find the perfect business fit, let me invite you to join my newsletter. You'll receive exclusive insights and tips tailored to introverted women entrepreneurs like us. And just click the link below to subscribe so that we can embark on this exciting journey together. Remember, your skills are your assets, and they can pave the way to your business success. Embrace your experiences and let them guide you towards the right business for you. Also, allow them to help you discover better ways of overcoming your challenges and growing your business. Thank you for joining me in this video. Until next time, stay inspired, stay empowered, and keep reaching for your dreams. So, see you again soon. This is Mommy and your Mommy Negosyo saying, be business-minded, Pinoy!